How to find specific text and notes in Excel. When multiple people review an Excel workbook, they may leave notes such as pending, need review, or please confirm. But when notes are scattered across many worksheets, finding every unresolved item can take a long time. In this video, I'll show you how to search for specific text only within notes using Excel's built-in Find feature and Kutools for Excel's Super Find tool. Method 1. Use Excel's built-in Find feature. Excel's Find tool can search within notes. Press Ctrl and F keys to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What box, enter Pending. Click Options to display the advanced settings. Open the Look-in list and select Notes. Then click Find All. Excel displays all matching results at the bottom of the dialog box. Click any result to jump to the corresponding cell. Method 2. Use Super Find in Kutools for Excel. For a more flexible way to search notes, use Super Find in Kutools for Excel. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Find, and then select Super Find. Open the Within list, select a searching scope. Choose Find in Notes Only. In the Type section, select Text, and open the list to select Criteria. Here select the text contains. Enter pending into the value text box. Then click Find. Super Find lists every note containing the word pending in one pane. Click a result, and Kutools immediately selects the corresponding cell. This is especially useful when a workbook contains many worksheets and notes from different reviewers.